if y'all are having guests over to play cards or just sit around and BS, this is a wonderful little appetizer. We found this in the garden club cookbook when we were putting together celebrates. And it sounded so weird, but we found out after we made it that it was out of this world. Sounds a little funky, but so good. So the recipe calls for, the little real thin sliced square bread. I didn't have any luck at my grocery store finding that because, I think it's probably only really sells like at the holiday time. So I chose another thin sliced white bread. All right, so we can get one little sandwich out of one slice of bread pretty easily. All right, so I've got my 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's softened. I've got a cup of raisins. I've got about 3/4 of a cup of chopped nuts. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of orange juice, to just get it spreadable. If you chose to, you could always pull out your mixer, and beat the cream cheese up and make it a little smoother. But I think this is soft enough where it won't be a problem. All right, in goes our chopped pecans. And last, what makes it so good is we're using a crystallized ginger. Now, Teresa went out shopping for these ingredients, and she had a hard time finding the already crystallized sweetened ginger. So didn't you order it?
I did order it online. They do usually have it at Kroger, though.
Yeah.
Just out.
Or one of your more gourmet grocery stores, you can probably find it pretty easy. I'm gonna get in here with my spoon, or you can make your own crystallized ginger if you don't want to wait for you to get a package in from ordering it. I know this sounds a little weird, but you're not going to believe how good it is. Okay, I think I've got that mixed up good enough. Now you can make this way earlier in the day, but this sandwich is better to do it no more than 30 minutes before you want to serve them. And if you find that you need to put them together before that, I'll share with you how I store like my tomato sandwiches. And it's really easy and it'll keep them fresh. All right, let's see. I forgot to bring me a little spoon. And this should make 36 to 40 finger sandwiches. Okay. So that's it. Just that easy, y'all. And you'll want to save the edges for croutons. You can deep fry them or throw them in the oven on a sheet pan. Sprinkle them with some garlic and onion salt or onion powder. I like to use the powders. It's a little bit stronger, and I don't have to worry about making anything too salty. That was not quite. That was a crooked square. All right, so you could, depending on how, we have any parsley or anything in here? I don't think so. But like on my tomato sandwiches, I like to take a little mayonnaise and then put a parsley leaf on it. And that just decorates it up, just a little bit.
It's a little punchy.
Yeah. So to make these, you could cut them one more time in fingers, or you can cut them into rectangles. So you just have different shapes on your sandwich platter, which would make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so if you need to do it 30 minutes ahead of time, take you any kind of dish, a 13 by 9 by 2, uh, or any kind of pan where you can lay them out. And have to get in there a little deep on the top part of the bread, because it has like lips, so you have to go kind of deeper. Okay. And I'll leave that one whole. So we have some of each. Okay, so here's what I do, y'all. After I get that pan filled up, I take a paper towel and I sprinkle it with just a little water. You don't want to get it sopping. And then I just lay that on top of it, put it in the refrigerator, and they will stay nice and fresh. So who wants a taste?
Hey.
Well, help yourself. Eddie?
Yum.
I know.
Great flavors.
So good.
It's like what they would serve a tea.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Be delicious at high tea.
Mm-hmm.
But that ginger just, we used to, back when I was very young and we'd do parties, like what made me think of it is graduation potato bar. In this book, we had recipes, excuse me, for things for a girly stuff. And we used to make pineapple and cream cheese sandwiches, little cucumber sandwiches, little tomato sandwiches.
We've added to our list now.
Mm-hmm. So please make sure y'all try this. It's just really good. And you can make this up ahead of time. Like I said, you'll want to let it sit out though for a while so it'll get soft enough for you to spread. This was still a little stiff for me, but so good. Loving Best Dishes. It makes me want to go back to my Coca-Cola party that Aunt Peggy and Uncle George threw for my graduation. Memories. Loving Best Dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.